Aloha everyone, it's Lynn with iHula Hawaii, bringing the hula of Hawaii to you. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do the hula hand correctly. We've been working a lot with the correct feet and learning step by step how to do a hula from beginning to end, but I want to take a pause from that and really focus and make sure that you are doing the hula hand correctly. And I'm going to ask you to check yourself in a mirror. If you're just tuning in today with me, please subscribe and please give me a thumbs up if you've liked this video, share it with your friends, and let's get into the video. Let's go ahead and get started with the hula hand and the correct arm placement. Okay, I'm gonna take a step back here. Go ahead and start with your right arm out. Okay, remember that nice posture that we have with our shoulder and our arm and our wrist and our hand is going to be nice and relaxed. Now you've seen this in my other videos where we've gone ahead and bent our arm here. Our fingers need to stop in this middle line going down our body. Okay, now make sure you're standing up nice and tall, that you've got good posture, that you're not leaning forward, overextending back, but you are just standing straight. Okay. Now notice that I have a nice line underneath both of my arms. If my fingertips are too far forward, I lose that elbow. So always pull your elbow back and place. Now you should feel a tightness in your shoulders as well as in your arms, holding this position. Now let's put in two hula hands. 1, 2, switch to the other side, 3, and 4. Repeat. 1, 2, switch, 3, 4. Let's do 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we call that a VAMP motion in hula. Usually it's done at the introduction of a song or possibly in between verses, and it's also our hula hand. Now let's take a look at some of those improper ways of doing the hula hand. We don't do the wave, we don't do the grab. We want a fluid hand motion just like this. Very nice. One more set. And we're all done. Now all of you have read a story to someone else. As you're holding your storybook, you're looking at your resource, you're looking back at your audience, and you're using an interesting voice. In hula, your hands are your interesting voice. So we don't want to shout at people as we're telling the story of hula. We want it to be an interesting voice that draws our audience to tell them the story of hula. Mahalo for tuning in today, and until we see each other again, ahui ho and aloha.